Kikateng jong candidate kibarung ka top 10 position in order of merit commerce stream. Kita kilong number 1 Rishabh Purkayastha, Laban Bengali Boys Higher Secondary School Shillong with a total marks secure of 484 marks. Second, Akshat Podar, St. Anthony Higher Secondary School Shillong with a total marks secure of 478. And 3 Satakshi Das from St. Anthony Higher Secondary School Shillong and Sneha Paul, St. Anthony Higher Secondary School Shillong with a total marks secure of 463 marks. Number 4 Akshat Das, Laban Bengali Boys Higher Secondary School Shillong with a mark secure of 459. 5 Deepak Sethia, St. Anthony Higher Secondary School Shillong with a mark secure of 454. 6 Neng Nei Ching, St. Anthony Higher Secondary School Shillong with a mark secure of 453. 7 P. Balam Lenti Marwen from St. Anthony Higher Secondary School Shillong, 451 marks secure. 8 Nangkrao Lalu from Mausen Ram Border Area Higher Secondary School Mausen Ram, mark secure 449. And 9 there are 3 candidates: Kashish Sharma from St. Anthony Higher Secondary School Shillong, Eliasar Laitep, St. Amon Higher Secondary School Shillong with and Rakhi Kumari Rai Alpha English Higher Secondary School Nongpo with a mark secure of 448. And the last, number 10, Dayari Nongram from Anderson Higher Secondary School Opar New Nongstoin with a mark secure of 447. Di school kibarung bun tame haka top 10 position order of merit jong ka commerce stream kadai ka St. Anthony Higher Secondary School Shillong kadon kumba nyaw ngut e man 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 hoi nyaw ngut na po St. Anthony Higher Secondary School Shillong hapo science stream ro kirung nyaw ngut hapo commerce stream ro kirung nyaw ngut tehang ni kindon kibanabar district jong ka Shillong kanlong tangka nongstoin iwe bat na nongpo iwe na Mausen Ram iwe tangkini game tip Chris